Well, I'm Bill Coldburn. I'm an aerospace amateur, engineer who's turned amateur again. Was an amateur in the 1940s, and I'm an amateur now in the 2007. And this is our HAH-203. That's a 203 millimeter diameter sounding rocket. It's a hybrid. It uses for propellants nitrous oxide and HTPB. Uses 34 pounds of HTPB, 150 pounds of nitrous oxide. You're looking at the business end here. This is aluminum boat tail with a phenolic expansion section, graphite throat, and then immediately inside of that is a phenolic entrance section to the nozzle. And then immediately behind that is the HTPB grain, 5 inches ID, 7.5 inches OD. And it's in a phenolic liner, so this is a cartridge reloadable hybrid. We can pull this all off, slide another grain in there, and launch it one more time, assuming we get it back the first time.
What about the fin can? What do you have
The
there?
fin can. Well, here's the fin can, if you can see it. The fin can is, this is called a trapezoidal shape. This is a sharp leading edge and trailing edge. The core is G10. The can itself is carbon fiber, and then it's carbon fibered over the G10. Makes a very strong thing. We recovered this from 27,000 feet, similar design, and it's actually flyable again.
You know, this is just the fin can, and this is the grain.
Yeah.
And then there's a split here, obviously.
Right, yeah. Well, this is the injector. Let's see if we can get this off for you. You can see the injector here. The injector's missing. These are the 4 fill ports. We fill through 4 individual tubes because then we use these tubes. These are UC valves. I humbly submit that that's named after John Urbanski and myself. These burn off and then become injectors in addition to the central injector, which has 6.262 diameter holes. So this is the equivalent of 8.262 diameter orifices. So this O-rings into an aluminum plate, which is bonded to the top of the grain. So there's a perfect seal between the injector and the motor. And the rest of this is tank, excepting for a very small section, which is the recovery section. The nose, which is inside our trailer, contains the GPS flight and a MC1000 flight computer, and a CO2, 4 CO2 cannons to eject the nose cone, the carbon fiber nose cone, which is 5-to-1 conical.
How much does it weigh on the pad when it's fully loaded?
Fully loaded, it's 300 pounds.
How high do you expect it to go?
50K, more or less.
And you have what, 1 chute coming out for recovery, or 2-stage?
A 2-stage recovery. Drogue at apogee, and then the main chute at probably 10,000 feet.
Anything else?
Yeah, we're the restroom around here.